Business and labor leaders are urging Malacanang to grant contempt powers to the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or the ICI. But the palace insists actions have already been taken. Here is a report.
Yan naman kayo.
During his State of the Nation address last July, President Bongbong Marcos himself exposed alleged anomalies in flood control projects. But months later, the investigation appears to be moving at a snail's pace. In an open letter addressed to President Marcos, business and labor leaders criticized authorities for being content with merely issuing lookout bulletins instead of whole departure orders against those possibly involved. They also questioned why the probe was held behind closed doors instead of transparent hearings. The groups urged the president to certify as urgent the granting of contempt powers to the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, but Malacanang insists a lot has already happened since July.
Nandiyan na po yung mga freezing of assets na in-order ng AMLA. Nandiyan na rin po ang mga pagsasampa ng kaso.
However, she clarified that whole departure orders cannot be issued arbitrarily.
Nandiyan na rin po ang sinasabi nating immigration lookout bulletin orders na ibinigay. Bakit wala pang whole departure order? Unang-una po, ang whole departure order ang mag-i-issue po niyan ay korte. So dapat malaman po nila na lahat po ng ginagawa ngayon ng administrasyon at ng mga law enforcement agencies ay naaayon sa batas. Hindi po natin basta-basta maaaring tawagin o sabihin na isang tao ay hindi ka pwedeng magbiyahe. Yan po naman ay lalabag sa batas. Dahil lahat naman din po tayo ay may freedom of movement.
The palace also emphasized that even the NBI, which has no contempt powers, is still able to perform its investigative duties effectively.
Unang-una po, ang NBI po ay isang investigative body, pero wala silang contempt powers. Pero bakit sila nakakapag-imbestiga at nakakapag-file ng kaso, nakakapag-endorse sa prosecutor's office para magtuloy-tuloy ang pagsasampa nito sa korte? Meron o wala man contempt powers ang ICI, makikita po natin na sila naman po ay pinupuntahan ng mga pinapatawag nila. Ang pag-iimbestiga po, di naman po siguro kinakailangan sa aking pananaw na magkaroon ng contempt powers dahil marami po ang maaari magpasubpina.
She added that if a person summoned by the ICI refuses to appear, that's no longer the Commission's fault, and those individuals can still be charged even if their side hasn't been heard.